If you want capital appreciation, you must go for new launch. Resale sure lose money because the first owner already profited. Hi guys, this is Zane from PropNext. I'm sure if you or anyone you know that ever considered purchasing a private property have definitely come across this comment. Today, I'm here to answer the question, is it true that only new launch have capital appreciation potential? Let's go. There's no denial that new launches do have the potential to help us reap a decent profit within a short 3 to 5 years time frame. Looking at some of the popular projects like High Park Residences, the Panoramas, Coco Palms have close to 100% profitable transaction to date. While many are lured by the lucrative margin, we understand that often buyers faces a few challenges when it comes to new projects. Number 1, the prices for new launch are not within their affordability or comfort level, especially in today's context where everyone is feeling the burden of a higher cost of living. Number 2, the need to find alternate housing solutions while waiting for completion. Upgraders who have young kids often find it troublesome to shift and have difficulties helping their kids get used to the new environment. So is there a type of property that can help us address the challenges and yet also provide us with appreciation potential? The answer is Resale Executive Condo, in short, EC. Executive condos are subsidized housing to begin with. As such, developments are usually of a decent size, between 200 plus to over 1,000 units. This helps to ensure that the development can generate enough transaction volume to support the appreciation. Demands are high for Resale EC as it offers an attractive entry price for people who are exploring a condo lifestyle. Also because financing for Resale EC using 55% of the total debt servicing ratio is much more relaxed than a new EC which uses the 30% mortgage servicing ratio. It opens up the opportunity to a bigger target audience. Let us take Austin Residences in Sengkang with 540 units as an example. TOP in 2014, MOP in 2019. From this chart, we can clearly see that those that bought into the projects upon its 5 years MOP, purchasing it at an average of 850 PSF. As of June 2022, the average transacted have rose to 1,017 PSF. Another example is Novo in Ang Mo Kio with 297 units, TOP in 2004, MOP in 2009. Similarly, we can see that upon 5 years MOP, resale buyers were able to purchase it at an average of 600 PSF. And as of June 2022, the average transaction is at 950 PSF. The reason for appreciation is because valuation from bank is always benchmarked on previous transaction. Likewise, owners are also looking at previous transactions of their neighbours to understand what is the pricing the market is willing to accept, and from there on, push for a higher selling price. Looking at our transaction record, those that took action when Novo MOP in 2009 were rewarded with very good profit, with highest over 600,000. While we can take our time to hunt for the property we want, the market for Resale EC will continue to grow rapidly this year, as we expect more than 31,000 BTOs to fulfill their MOP in 2022 and be eligible for upgrades. Why am I sharing is because there are many noises in the market that might have given the wrong impression that the market is at a high and there are no opportunities, or the misconception that only new launch can have capital gain potential. With a better understanding, and if you are ready to find out more about your options in today's market, you can reach out to me. This is Zane, PropNext. See you soon.